Hey, man, give and ride this son of a bitch. If I follow you, don't go too fast. Crash.
You know how to ride one of these suckers? You've ridden a bird before, right?
I haven't ever rode a bicycle before.
Broom broom. Yeah. That's broom broom. This is back brake and that's front brake.
Front brake, back brake.
And then where's broom broom? Yep, broom broom. And then you can pedal if you want. It helps, but you don't gotta do shit. You can just ride it like a motorcycle. What's up, E-heads? We're out here. We're out here in Big Bear, day 2. I got my boy Tony. He's on the R73. I'm on the Sur-Ron, and he's never ridden an e-bike. Barely ridden a bike. We're gonna go to the north side of the lake, check out that observatory. Whoa! There are tons of military vehicles in this town. I think that's where the resort is.
Resort?
Yeah.
All the cabins and shit?
Yeah. No, like the ski resort. How you feeling?
Feel great, man.
Nice.
Just don't want to fuck with anybody.
He's great, he just doesn't want to fuck with anybody. You don't want to fuck with anybody.
Yeah, I like getting their way.
What the fuck?
Even when I'm walking on foot, I don't like to do that, dude.
I don't see any no motorized vehicle signs. Oh, I actually did see one. Huh?
Let me take some good.
Okay. Those look like e-bikes. Goofy pics. Yeah. All right. I'll snap a pic.
Got my purse here.
You want me to get a pic of you on the bike?
Not from my girlfriend.
Okay.
Actually, yeah. I'll do it on my.
Good vibes. Whoa, that looked like a wicked thumb. Might have to come back here at night and rip this trail. Ah, should we go see what's over here?
Yeah.
cool trail. Hit the dirt? Secret Beach. That's where we're going, the observatory. You see that ball?
Yeah, I googled it.
Private community. No public restrooms, no outlets. Dang, we are in trouble. We're trespassing now. I will never understand why people live in little communities like this with their trailers.
Where I gotta live, man. This would be a dope place to live right here.
I guess, but aren't you supposed to take these on trips?
Yeah, they're settled.
Yeah, you gotta pay to live here. We're not supposed to be in here.
I can tell.
We gotta find that bike path. Dude, we gotta go back the way we came in. Unless, oh no. We blew it.
You're doing so good.
I don't even know how to go back there. We're stuck here, dude.
I think we're trapped.
I do. Oh. Watch out for that thing. Going back the way we came in. Because we got stuck and scared. This is camping. This is so not camping. When I go camping, lizard, whoa. When I go camping, I go far away. I don't rent a spot and just chill with a bunch of other people that are camping right next to me. I have to come back to this trail at night. Lizard, keep going, lizard. Oh no. Oh no. Oops. What?
You sometimes go in there.
I've never been here. There's there's people down there though. I'm sure there's people down there. You want to just stay on that bike path and go all the way around the big old lake or what? Huh?
Are we like halfway now?
I think so. I don't know where it goes. What do you feel like doing? Let's keep going down that trail.
This is the cool thing you brought me to, huh?
Yeah, cool, right? Yeah, cool gate.
Hey, dude.
Well, there's like little walking paths. We can.
Nice gate, bro.
No, we can totally get there. It's just, I don't know if it's worth it. You crash?
I had to get a girl's number.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna. I was asking. You get one more, man.
You can probably fit yours in that pouch if you zip that left side.
Think, huh?
Huh?
You think, huh?
Yeah.
I don't think so. You're gonna do
You don't think so?
the. No.
You just can't.
I got tempted and gave up pretty quick.
That's crazy because I've put more than one hoodie in there before.
I wear extra alpha.
Oh. And
Wear, what do you, beta?
yeah, I wear extra medium.
I got it, you're right. Cool bike, dude. I'll give you 300 right now for it. Dollars.
No,
Take it or leave it.
I'll leave it. It's more sentimental to me.
Please take it.
That's the bike that started it all, man. That bike paid for itself, not just in gas.
Just take it. 400.
There's just more. This is like North Big Bear. The Nugget Room. We gotta go to the Nugget Room.
Yeah, really.
Let's check this out. That looks like a trail. Yo, dude, look at this. Gigantic jumps much? What the f, bro?
That sand.
It-
A little tricky there.
Those tires are a little bit rough. Just giant jumps. What the hell? I don't know if these are for the Sur-Ron though. This is totally a BMX place. We gotta find one for the Sur-Ron, a little baby boy. Hey, this took a lot of time to build.
Jump it.
Dude, they're doing wall rides on this rock. Wait, what? You come down here, you hit this, you ride up the rock, and then you... No. I think it's a mountain bike.
Dude, jump it.
What? Which one? They're all...
Stand up there. Jump it.
We gotta find I don't... Who built this amazing place? Isn't that wild that we just found this?
Yeah.
Just because I saw a post office and I just was like, let's go behind the post office. I definitely can't hit any of these with the Ron though. I don't think.
You better get on this bad boy.
That one's not fast enough.
Sounds like excuses to me, pal.
Yeah, they are.
You know, I just can't, it's just not, it's too hot out, sun. That's pretty cool. Should I do that?
Yeah.
It's guaranteed?
Yeah, you're going down.
I'm a little nervous.
To go down that?
Yeah.
find another way then.
Figure it out.
Walk it down. Dude, full send. Legitness. Go big or go home. Or go medium and just stay at the house. It's a little sandy.
I could just be a man, like my dad always said.
Yeah, like an alpha, like you just claimed to be. Well, that was a nice discovery, but we didn't hit anything. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Sit on a rock and smoke.
Yeah, over here. I want to rip up this. Don't follow me though. I don't think you can make it.
No, I don't think so.
I'm gonna just go off here real quick. Uh-oh, Sandy. No, this is it. 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 Damn. It's the sand. But we had it. We had it for a second there. Big Bear's cool. You want to chill by the lake?
Yeah, we can.
I want to see if I can get up this rock with the dirt bike. I don't think I can go straight up though. I'm gonna go this way. It's down here. Besides tons of fear. That was really fun. That was pretty scary back there, wasn't it?
It is. But I'm getting used to being able to look, and it's like,
Yeah.
what are they gonna do?
You can fuck with that mirror. I got it's you can't see behind you, but you can
I
see.
do not, yeah. It's a mirror.
Yeah, you can.
It's something to chop up.
Well, it's a multi-purpose tool. Yeah, you can adjust it and shit. I move it all the time. You don't have to leave it where it is. You can make it work. God, it's hot as... Aren't you glad we didn't go to Josh Tree?
Yeah, and also I was like, do I need a sweater? But why would you know temperature? I was just asking, like, do we get hot on these bikes? I didn't know if we were just like cold because the wind was blowing.
Yeah.
Our hair.
Yeah. Our what?
There's a thing that called hair.
Yeah.
I heard about it in movies.
Private conservation land. Please observe these rules. No littering. It's not a... No, we can...
I can't squeeze through that. The belts are too big.
It looks like there's jumps over there. Dude, you know what's lame? The way those people were camping way back there. Like if I'm going camping, I'm going deep into the woods. And I'm shitting in under a tree. I don't want to hear any people. I'm not going to pay $40 or whatever a night and just Cars.
Right on the wall.
So stupid. What a dumb place to camp. We're camping. You just have an outhouse and a tennis court.
I mean, it is a cool town. Maybe they're just sleeping there, reaping the benefits of the, you know, the Big Bear Lake.
Yeah, possibly.
I don't know if bears are in this town for the name.
Yeah, I've not seen one bear. It's more like a coyote town. Ouch. You want to try to fit through here, or else I'll just be right back.
I get stuck. I'll chill.
You're not gonna get stuck. I'll get stuck. Just won't try. Oh no! This is where the flats are. Of course, fool. I thought I saw jumps over here. Yes, these are jumps. Which direction do you hit them, and which ones can we hit? This does not look like it's been maintained much. Wow, this is just a motocross track. Big Bear. Thank you, Big Bear. Into a berm. Into normal. Oh, these are. Oh, we're nailing this. We're nailing this. Those ones are a bit big. A bit. Okay. No, I don't think I can go fast enough for that one. This next one is all us. Nice. Nice, just a little air time. No flats, no flats, no flats. Just a motocross track over there. Yeah. Okay. Tires good? Wow, that was crazy. I think it's sick, dude. How fast does it go?
This, they go like 50, bro, but it's a classic.
Yeah, it looks awesome. It looks well kept. Honda Monkey?
Honda
890?
Yeah, 890. It was a 69, so it's like a vintage.
Nice, dude.
It's a vintage now.
That is so sick. That's the vlog, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Check out my Airbnb. This is just my house for a couple days. What'd you think, buddy? You gotta say bye now. You gotta say bye to the E-heads. I just did, so you don't have to do it twice, but yeah.
Later, you
Peace.